Away they go. Sir Barbaro from the outside is Go Air Force. Glamorous. Also rushing up is Sweet and Gorgeous. Glamorous followed by Go Air Force. Sweet and Gorgeous. Sir Barbaro is racing forward by some 2 lengths fast forward. Super Elegant. Instant and Mike's Dancer. Rounding the far turn, Glamorous by some 3 lengths. Sweet and Gorgeous now running in second. Go Air Force and Sir Barbaro as they race the final corner. Glamorous by some 3 lengths. Go Air Force down on the inside. Sweet and Gorgeous and Sir Barbaro. And nearing the finish line, Glamorous by some 3 lengths. Sir Barbaro. And finally, number 4, Glamorous. Sir Barbaro. Super Elegant fast forward, close for third and fourth. Then comes Instant, Mice Dancer, Go Air Force, and 5-8.